So easy to make. Doesn't that look fantastic? We're making lemon-tarragon dressing. Howdy, I'm Linda from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making lemon-tarragon dressing. It is so easy to make, and it's a lovely addition to your salad. You can make it with olive oil, or you can make it with flax oil. It tastes delicious either way. The flax oil is a healthier oil, but it has a little bit of a stronger flavor, and the olive oil, of course, is always a good addition for any salad dressing that you might want to enjoy. So hop on board and let's get cooking. In our handy dandy dressing maker container, we start with 3 tablespoons of olive oil. You can also use flaxseed oil, which is a healthier oil, has a little stronger flavor. Then we add in 2 tablespoons each of lemon juice and water, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of minced tarragon, 1/2 of a tablespoon of lemon zest, 1/2 a teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and American saffron, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, and a pinch of chili powder. Once they're all in your handy dandy container, a jar also works very well with a lid. Put the lid on and shake it up, or in this case, give it a twirl. You can set it aside for an hour or 2 to let the flavors intensify. But either way, you have a beautiful lemon-tarragon dressing. Look how nice that is. Ooh, so good. Real nice addition to any salad. If you like what we made today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes.